Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to start off by showing you some of what I've been working on the most for the end-of-day trade. The end-of-day trade essentially just being a focus on the final 90 minutes of the cash session and essentially trying to figure out where the index will close. So while there can be a little bit of an art to this, it's one of the trades that I would encourage anyone that is interested in day trading to start to learn, because when you open up this trade and you look at it at the way that I have this configured, when you do it for the $2 credit, you're essentially putting yourself in a situation where the most that you can make is $7 and the most that you can lose is $3. So that is very asymmetric risk, right? You can make a lot, but you can really only lose a smaller value when you think about that proportionally. So that's what we start with, is a strategy that, really can work out great for these end of day scenarios. And then you look to the market. And admittedly, the market was probably the trickiest part of this today. But what I like to use is the 2-minute ATR trailing stop. And look for this. Again, you can reference this by seeing the moment in time where the trade is time stamped, right? It's essentially right there before 90 minutes before the cash session closes. So that's when we open this trade. That's when the ATR starts to make this shift. And then a lot of times what I am doing is just placing that body at the upside expected move. So again, I like to take the signal in the futures market, and then I look to the option chain and say, what is the expected move they're looking for? And then that's where I place the body. And then you can run into situations like what you have here. So the cash market settled at 41.30.62. So what we have is the 41.25 put that is worthless, the 41.30 put that is worthless, and then the 41.35 that has $4.38 of intrinsic value. So you take that $4.30, you add it to the $2 credit that we opened the trade for, so it actually ended up yielding $6.30, where all we took on was the $3 risk. And that's really, one of the best end-of-day opportunities that I've been finding as of late. So wanted to review that with you guys. Again, that's a big part of what we're doing in the chat room for these closing sessions. And then if you're not a part of that, I did at least want to give you my new favorite stock pick as far as a swing trade takeaway. Now, I have started to establish for myself in this positions in December. So, giving this to you here on Thursday afternoon has little to no bearing as to what it does tomorrow or into next week. This stock could fall $20 and I'm not going to feel any different about it. If you start getting significant closes below 320, okay, then we can maybe assess where I went wrong. But giving myself all of that down into that area to back and fill, I believe is part of a constructive pattern that is going to lead Netflix into 414. So whether you're focusing on end-of-day SPX opportunities or trying to have something that's a little bit longer duration swing-based, this market is showing us a lot of good spots, and I hope you found the review of them helpful. You'll have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.